Welcome back to the Pop-Up Homestead. Today, the fence is being installed. Da-da-da! It may be temporary at first until more stakes are put in, but that is okay because we need to keep the chickens out. We need to keep the dogs out so we can start getting layers going for our permaculture. So, I think it looks fantastic. See the big post? Yeah, it looks really good. See the fence is going? Oh, about halfway. I mean, where I am, it's all going to be closed in as well, so right now he's just putting the posts in to start firming it up. Just wanted to get it started. Those chairs back there are going to be our little seating area. Well, this fence is going to be amazing, I tell you. We're really excited about it. We're going to stop this video for now, and we'll come back when it's all done. Take care from the Pop-Up Homestead. There's Lovey, Charlie. Everybody says, hi. Glad you stopped by the Pop-Up Homestead. Feel free and like and subscribe. Share this with your friends. We'll be back with the finished fence.